Hey, friends and neighbors. You know about my problems with Yahoo. Those that know me, you do. And I think it's about time that I take a little bit of my frustration out on that. But first, I'm going to let you have Bill tell you about the computer.
Well, I think what a lot of Mark's problems with the computer was is it just didn't run fast enough. So what we're going to do is we have an Intel Pentium 366 processor motherboard here. And we're going to overclock it and we're going to make it run a little bit faster. So first, in order to do this, we have to remove the case screws. Okay, Art, would you like to take the cover off of it?
Flaming Young's good, man. It's just, I think you burnt it.
Nah.
Do you feel that?
So, what happened to the, stock market?
I don't know, the NASDAQ just went to hell. I don't know. Do you still own Dow?
I own about 50 shares of it,
Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your head and let it on to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness.
Right
Papa, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Madness is the future as the end to me.
Alright, well, we've completed our project here. It should run pretty smooth. In fact, I'd say it probably run like it was on fire.
Yeah. Explain, Becker.
Well, it looks like we might have a little CMOS problem going on here. Art, you want to take a look at this problem? Break! Alright. I might need my screwdriver to get that case off and out there. I think his webcam will work now.
Chuck.